हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू थोड़ा और मैजिक टीनेज स्पेशल। और इस बार मेरे पास दो टीनेजर्स हैं जो अगस्त्या के बहुत क्लोज फ्रेंड्स हैं, लेकिन ये दोनों बहुत बदमाश हैं। बिकॉज जब भी अगस्त्या का कोई वीडियो आता है तो ये लोग उसकी फोटो खींचते हैं और व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में डालते हैं और स्पैम कर देते हैं, है ना। प्लीज मीट अभिनव एंड वीर गोगिया। तो इन्होंने डिसाइड किया कि ये भी कुछ मस्ती करना चाहते हैं और अब हम इनकी खिंचाई करेंगे। हाँ, किसको तो हिंदी बिल्कुल नहीं आती, ये तो बड़ा अच्छा हिंदी बोलता है। तो देखते हैं, मस्ती करेंगे। आज क्या सीख रहे हो आप लोग, बताइए ऑडियंस को। इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ आल्सो एंड टेल देम व्हाट यू आर लर्निंग फ्रॉम मी।
मैं अभिनव हूँ और आज हम चॉकलेट मूस बनाएंगे और उस पे थोड़ा ऑरेंज जेस्ट लगाएंगे।
वाह, क्या बोला है, वेल डन। वीर भाई साहब, आप भी बोलिए।
I'm Veer.
You know, this will get spammed on your WhatsApp group. I'm Veer. Huh? You really think that's a good introduction?
What do I say?
Say,
He
figure
said
something
everything
out.
else.
He spoke very well.
He said everything.
No, so you say something else. How come you decided to come on this show?
Because Ams asked me to, and I can never say no to her. So I'm here today.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
And then yesterday he calls me and said, Amrita was very angry because you haven't invited him. Okay? And he is my ardent follower, by the way. हर वीडियो, हर स्टोरी देखता है। And जहाँ अगस्त्या हो वहाँ तो और बदमाशी करता है। But I'm very happy to have both these lovely boys here. बदमाश हैं लेकिन बहुत अच्छे बच्चे हैं, बहुत अच्छी फैमिली से, and I'm very close to both their parents. ठीक है, तो आज चलिए चॉकलेट मूस बनाते हैं। ये टीनेज स्पेशल है। टीनेज स्पेशल में बेसिकली आई एम ट्राइंग टू एम्पावर चिल्ड्रन, ताकि वो कभी भी कुछ अपने हाथों से बनाना चाहे, दे आर एबल टू डू इट, बिकॉज द जॉय ऑफ ईटिंग समथिंग दैट यू कुक योरसेल्फ इज अमेजिंग, राइट? तो ये चॉकलेट मूस जो मैं आज आपको सिखा रही हूँ बहुत ही इजी है। एक्चुअली इसके दो मेन इंग्रेडिएंट्स हैं, बट वी आर गोना ऐड अ बिट ऑफ zest of orange like the way he had said, zest of orange, and we're going to add a bit of flavor to it. Because you have to have some edge ना। आपके बाकी फ्रेंड्स भी बनाएंगे तो आपने शेफ से सीखा है तो कुछ तो अलग होना चाहिए, right? Show me how you can juggle. Can you juggle?
Yeah,
Can you juggle?
I think I can.
Take two.
Think.
Take one more. Oh wow! They're actually good.
It's not hard to
Okay,
juggle.
I think वीडियो ऐसे ही करते हैं। Wow! That was amazing. अब चॉकलेट मेल्ट होगा,
Yeah.
whipped cream whip होगा with sugar. We are going to give it a lot of volume because ये जो मूस हम बना रहे हैं, it's eggless, right? Usually जो classic मूस होता है, that is given the volume with egg whites, which we are not using. So this cream of ours is going to give it the volume. And ये देखो चॉकलेट के भूखे बच्चे हैं ना, ये देखो व्हाट दे हैव डन। ये देखो, ये जो बदमाश बच्चे हैं ना, ये चॉकलेट खाते खाते, चलो ये भी खाओ ना, हैव इट विद क्रीम।
Thank you.
ओके, सो चॉकलेट कैसे मेल्ट होगा? एक तो आप डबल बॉयलर से कर सकते हो, व्हिच आई नो कि आप लोग मस्ती करके गिरा दोगे। सो आई एम शोइंग यू द क्विक एंड इजी मेथड। वी आर गोना डू दिस इन द माइक्रोवेव इन क्विक बर्स्ट। जस्ट रिमेंबर, माइक्रोवेव has very strong heat. Okay, so if you put this inside for like 40 seconds together, you'll burn the chocolate. Chocolate is very heat sensitive, very temperature sensitive.
Yeah.
So you have to treat it like a baby. Handle with care. And now they're going to laugh again. Okay, you use the spatula and just mix it. Very good. Done.
Okay.
So our dark chocolate is melted.
Yeah.
Now one step of the mousse is done. Let's move it on the side. Now over to you, mister. You're going to whip the cream.
Yeah.
Okay. So now this is the egg beater. Have you ever used one before?
Yeah, yeah.
You have, na? Very good. We are going to start this. And over to you. Hold the bowl with one hand. Let's increase the speed. Tilt it slightly. And come here, Abhinav. You start adding the sugar with one hand. Don't be scared. ये सारे बच्चे डरते हैं कुकिंग से। अरे बाबा इतना क्या डरने का। हाँ चलो। Be confident in the kitchen. Okay? Can you see how the whipping cream is
Yeah.
doubling in its size?
I want to add all the sugar.
Yeah. अगस्त्य का ही दोस्त है, डालो। अभी ये सेकंड पार्ट इज डन और ये whipped क्रीम के चक्कर में इतना इन लोग ने बदमाशी किया है जो आप देख नहीं पाए बिकॉज हमने काट दिया है। द मशीन इज ऑल्सो गॉन नाउ। लेट्स ऐड सम ऑरेंज जेस्ट टू आवर whipping cream as well. Just look at them. ये इन लोग को कोई भी वर्ड बोलो तो हंसी आ जाती है। How will we add the zest? Now you come here.
Microplating.
Microplating, no.
The
Microplane.
same.
It's
Plane.
not the same thing. Microplane is a microplane and there's nothing called microplane.
Same thing.
Okay, same thing. ठीक है? How are we going to do it? We're just going to take this little bit of the edges, but we're not going to go very hard. Why? Because इसके अंदर वो जो white वाला part होता है ना, the white part is the bitter part.
Oh, yeah,
Okay, it's
yeah.
the pith. Okay, and now what is happening is flying all over. So a nicer way I'll teach you to do. And it's all controlled. Saw that?
Yeah.
Smart way. And then we take this out. This is the orange zest which we've been talking about जब से हमने ये video start किया है. Right? You want to do it?
No, I'm fine.
No, you better do it.
Fine.
You're not learning anything. चलो, once you and once you.
Okay.
What's coming out?
I don't know.
Lovely. Enough. Enough for the day. Enough learning for the day. Okay. Now this is your beautiful zest which we have taken out. Now let's use some of this and add it to our whipping cream. Okay. And all this mess that you all have done will also go in. Now we'll use a spatula.
Yeah.
थोड़ा तुम काम करो, तुमने कुछ नहीं किया, ठीक है? Mix it in, but gently. How I taught Abhinav. Very good. This is an orange which we zested. Okay, we're gonna cut this top off and scoop the orange out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Weird.
Oh no.
Okay, ठीक है, चलेगा. For the first time, it's a good job. Okay, now we have our shells ready. Okay, we're gonna clean this counter. Now let's get on with the mousse. Okay, final. अब ये little bit of orange juice ना,
Yeah.
we're gonna add to the chocolate as well. Little by little because you don't want to seize the chocolate. Okay, so I'll just do this. थोड़ा थोड़ा. I'm gonna add for that lovely chocolate flavor. Sit in. Now we're going to start mixing the whipping cream.
No.
ठीक है? So first we're going to add a little bit to loosen the chocolate. So basically you whip it nicely so that you incorporate that air in it. Okay, and make this lighter. Okay, now can you do it? Nicely, Janu. Use this like so. Tilted रखोगे तो you'll get the
I think you go mix.
Okay.
Okay, you do.
I'll mix. I'll mix.
Now you can see this. It's looking like mousse.
Yeah.
Veer? चलो.
Should I use a spoon and then
Yeah,
like
come. Use a spoon. जब बच्चों को किचन में घुसाते हैं ना, तो be prepared for mess. be prepared for मस्ती. लेकिन अगर इस मस्ती के बीच में कुछ सीख जाएं, तो I think it's a good thing. What do you think?
Yeah.
Is it a good thing? Now, here's a glass. Here are 2 nozzles. Okay? So you see all that frosting on cupcakes and all.
Yeah.
So these are the nozzles that I use to give it that design. Okay? So what are we gonna do? We're gonna add. Whoops! Opposite.
Why would you
Yeah?
keep it like?
So make it as broad as the nozzle is. Now the nozzle should pop out like this.
Yeah.
Got it? Now you put it in a glass. Yeah? And you add your mousse in. Now lift it up. And push this down. And what do you have? A nice design. Okay? Now we're gonna pipe the mousse inside our. I'm gonna do one and then
Yeah.
you'll do the next.
Okay.
Satisfying, no?
Yeah.
Looks cool?
Yeah.
Chalo, now looking good?
Yeah.
Now do you wanna add some more chocolate
Yeah.
shavings to it?
Yeah.
Some white chocolate?
Yeah, can I do it?
Okay, do it.
Yeah.
Ooh, sorbet again. Ooh, lovely, that's it. Beautiful. Yeah,
Oh.
very good. Nice. Whoa. Amazing.
That looks clean.
That was clean and beautiful.
That's
That
actually
was very, very nice. Now do the chocolate shaving.
Wait,
Yeah.
that's actually cool.
Lovely. Brilliant. Okay, I'll finish it for you. Lovely. Khatam hi ho gaya.
Perfect.
Not bad. Yeah? Lovely. Put some shavings on it. Bas, bas. Arey, you never cover it. Garnish is supposed to be a garnish.
Oh.
Okay, less is
Because
more.
I covered that.
Yeah, you covered that, which is too much. But look at this.
Oh.
This is actually good. Now we are going to do a plating. Now we'll do plating. You remember plating?
Okay.
Yeah.
एंड ये बच्चे बोल रहे हैं एक मास्टर शेफ मोमेंट होना चाहिए जहाँ पे हम लेके गए प्लेटर और ट्राई किया. हाँ, तो ट्राई करने के लिए कैफ को बुलाएं. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कैफ लजानिया बनाने वाला है. आ जाओ. ओके.
Welcome.
Then I'll give you a nicer spoon.
Oh, bonus points for presentation.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You might ruin.
Use the broken one. Actually, that is good. Use this.
That died.
He likes it. I made that one.
10 on 10.
Whoa!
Yay! Okay, now will you be able to make it again on your own? Acha, abhi chalo repeat the process.
Okay. First, we took the chocolate chips and we put them in the microwave, and we did it in like gaps of 20 seconds, and we did 3 times. And then after the chocolate was all melted,
Stop. What did you do?
We use a spatula and kind of like beat the chocolate. Then we beat the whipped cream.
Very good.
Yes, we beat it until we got some thick texture type thing.
And did we add some sugar?
Yeah,
Oh,
we
yeah,
added
and we
sugar
added sugar
while
while
we
we
beat
beat
it.
it.
Yeah. Good question. Oh, then we took the oranges and we did the micro. What is it?
Plane.
Microplane.
Microplane.
To get the orange zest, and we added the zest to the whipped cream. Then after that, we took out the pulp and like the inside of the orange to get the peel.
Yeah.
And then we mixed the chocolate with the whipped cream to get like a common like,
The mousse.
thick, yeah.
Moussey texture, right?
yeah.
Then we prepared the piping bags. You cut it first. You add the nozzle, then you cut it and make sure that the cut is as big as the nozzle.
Yeah.
And then you add the mousse to the piping bag and then you put it in the orange.
And then you garnish it.
Oh,
with
and then you
white.
add the extra orange juice into your chocolate if you want
If
extra
you want
orange
to,
flavor.
and then you garnish it with
white chocolate.
Yes.
shavings.
Shavings.
Yay!
Full
Very
marks.
good. Full marks. Tasting का तो full marks मिला ही. And is also full marks. Okay? Well done.
Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Okay, guys, so that's the end of the video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and make sure those notifications are turned on for Chef Amrita Raichand. Thank you.
Whoa, nice one. High five
Do a
again.
pound it.
Okay, that was excellent.
Just hold on. Just hold on.
Do pound it.
Pound it. No good.
See ya. Okay.
Bye guys. That
Bye.
was fun.
See you. Thank you for
Thank you,
having
auntie.
us.